Michelle's post at Digital Writing Month about family photos and archive photos has me remembering this class photo of mine. I'm a 6th grade teacher right now. This photo, this is when I was in 6th grade. And once a year I drag it into my classroom, try to get my students to figure out who I am in this mix of students. It's funny because each year even I have trouble finding myself in that big picture. It's like this weird Where's Waldo kind of thing. And then I find myself. Here I am, right in center, big hair, next to the kid with the glasses. And I'm looking at these faces all around me, and I remember them. I remember their stories. There's actually the girl in the picture, the first one I ever kissed. There's the boy who used to go on adventures out in the woods with me, and we'd build tree forts together. There's another boy in this picture who had learning disabilities that I used to help out in the classroom, in the hallway, from time to time. Stories. That's what this brings up. Stories. My 6th grade teacher was Mr. Dudak. He's sitting here on the bench. If you look to the left, there he is. He's sitting on the right, and I'm right behind him on the bench. And Mr. Dudak was one of these unorthodox, sort of crazy teachers, or at least that's the persona that he tried to create for himself. But I remember how engaging he made his classroom, how fun it was, and how much I really learned over the time that I spent with him. And when I think of teachers that had an impact, he's one that comes to mind. And it's funny how this one photograph now of the class, and then of the whole 6th grade, helps me remember Mr. Dudak and my own role now in the 6th grade classroom and my call to try to make it engaging and fun and meaningful. I want my students to look back on their class picture 20, 30 years down the road and remember me and remember our times together. That's what a photograph can do.